So I'm in a 580 Case 580 quad track tractor pulling a Case air seeder with a Case air cart, and what we're going to do today is the install of the 1079K cable. It's a really simple installation. So here on the below the driver's seat to the right side, there's a number of different ports, and we've got a cable that looks like this. And so we just need to find the corresponding port. There are two of them on this particular tractor, and you just got to figure out which one it is by plugging into either one of them and see if you get power to the drive. In this tractor, it's the upper right one, and so you just take the cable and line it up and plug it in. And once we're plugged into the proper port, then we will have power to our drive. You can see the blue light, and we're connected, and we are ready to go. So it's a real simple installation. Just check which port it is, make sure that you're actually getting power to the drive. Once you find the one that has power, you're ready to go.